Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace the two cabin air filters in the glove compartment of the S500, S430, W220 Mercedes-Benz cars. The procedure is quite simple. When you open the glove compartment door, you'll see two plastic covers hiding the bottom screws. There are a total of 4 screws. Two directly on top of where you see the bottom ones, and of course these two. You need a short Phillips screwdriver to open all 4 of them. Now these two filters that I have in the description are Bosch brand, and as of May of 2020 you can obtain them from autohouseaz.com for $11 for a set of 2, and that's a very good bargain price. They may appear somewhat flimsier than the original ones from Mercedes-Benz, but they're just as effective and just as good in filtering air. And once you have removed the 4 screws, it's just a matter of kind of pulling downwards and out, because there are 2 tabs in there on top that may block the compartment to come out. And so this is the cable connected to the glove compartment door button, and you just lift it up, and then as you see, twist it out, and then you'll have to unplug the electric connector to the little light bulb, and that's it. You can remove the glove compartment out. The filter housing has a door with a white tab that you just push up and then remove. It swings out. That's just part of the old filter. And you pull the first filter, the one on the left, out, and then move the one on the right to the left, because the opening is not as wide as the width of the 2 filters. So you'll have to remove the far left filter out first, then move the right filter and towards the left, and then pull that out. As you can see, these filters get dirty quickly. It's best to replace these. I do them with every oil change, but you can check these. I mean, it takes a little bit of work, a little bit of time to do this. So it's not as simple to just check on these filters to see whether or not they're dirty. So once you do it a couple of times, you'll probably know what schedule to use, how many miles. It all depends on driving conditions, the climate you're driving in, how dusty or polluted the air is, so on and so forth. But I would say every 8 to 12,000 miles would be a good cycle to replace these. So you push in these filters are clearly marked which side should go down with an arrow. I think I showed that just a few seconds ago. So you push the first one in and then move it to the right, and then the second one. Align the two tabs of the door, press it in, and then lock it. Attach the cable. Make sure it's firmly set. Just hook it in and then press it into the cavity. Connect the electric plug, presses in until you hear a sound. Everything is firmly connected. And these are the two tabs that you have to be a little careful with as you remove and as you press the compartment back in. You just have to negotiate your way in. And that's pretty much it. Install the 4 screws, 2 in the bottom, 2 on top, and you're done. So I hope you find this video useful. If you do, and if you want to see more videos like this, please share, like, and subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.